Really looking forward to the rose campion flowering. Never seen it flower yet. When I bought it, it was too late in the season, I think. Maybe the plant was just too young. But now it's grown a lot and surely should be flowering fairly soon. In the meantime, the rest of the bed, as you'll see, is still very weedy. So you'll notice that I'm not really big on weeding. In fact, if you were to accuse me of being a very sort of retail focused gardener who enjoys going and buying things and planting them when they already look good because they've been grown by professionals, and then sitting there and not really doing any maintenance, then I couldn't really argue with you. It has been a bit true so far. But I do have a bit of a excuse, which is that to my mind there's not really any point in weeding for the sake of weeding. So here, for example, I've got a big dandelion, but what else is there? Like, I haven't planted anything else there, I haven't chosen any nice plants that should go there, so if I weeded it and whatever other bits and bobs are around, it would just be bare soil. And it does always seem to me that any plant is better than no plant, because photosynthesis and oxygen cycle and nitrogen cycle and whatever else cycle, any plant is doing a little contribution towards producing oxygen, towards serving as food or cover for insects, which serve as food for birds, and so on and so on. So yeah, basically I only tend to weed when it's a direct choice between having a weed there and having a quote unquote better plant there. So I should, in fact, get rid of some of these, because they are in fact in competition with this silver snow, or snow in summer, or whatever it is. This, as you can see from last year's growth, should be growing out, cascading over the wall, but I've got a lot of weeds here which are probably soaking up water and nutrients that could be going to that. So I will do a little bit of weeding in this bed. You'll also note here dead lavender. I'm not very good at pruning my lavender. I did prune it a little bit, but could still definitely do with pruning it a lot more. Sorry, spider. So, there you go, done a little bit of weeding, taken out some stuff, come along here, created a bit more spaciousness. One thing that I've noticed during this process is this, which is some new leaves on my white sage, which was looking very dead twigs, and I wasn't sure if it would come back or not, but thankfully there we can see that it is coming back. But this thing was swamping, it was like choking all around the base of it, so whatever this is wants to chill out and give my sage some space. There we go. That's what I call weeding. As for this thing, I'm not sure if that's weed or not. I took one thing out that looked just like that. Then I found another one and I thought, oh, maybe that's supposed to be there. So I've left that one. I'll see what happens to it. But I suspect it's not going to turn into anything particularly good. And I'll realise it was in fact a weed. And I'll take it out. These are the most common things. I don't know what they are, but there's absolutely billions of them. So, kind of pick a few out, but that's probably not even achieving anything because I'm probably leaving the roots in. But you know, whatever. And there's this stuff with little white flowers that kind of reminds me of cow parsley, but it's far too small. Don't know what that is either. But again, there's millions of it, so there's no need to worry that I'm eliminating anything, because I'm sure it'll be back with a vengeance from whatever amounts I decide I can't be bothered with. More here, for example. So yeah, I don't weed to the point of complete clean bare beds. I really don't see the point or the aesthetic, but every now and then it's sort of therapeutic just to do some activity in here that isn't dependent on buying new plants. So here we go, the joy of weeding. I do tend to find random bits of broken glass. Don't know why. Also bones. I guess pigeons. Not sure. Quite a few of them. Pigeon bones, I don't know. Rat bones, seagull bones. Who knows?